Yo guys, Jackboy64 here. Today we're going to be playing tennis with Luma. Well, yeah, so that's what it's called. It's called Galaxy Rally. So let's go. I'm going to play as... There's not really anyone space related, but I'll play as Boo because he's like Luna, where it's like just not exactly on feet or anything. He's just like a little body, if you want to call it that. Yeah. Try again. But we'll make this sort different. I say retry and try again. No, seriously, that was unfair. I'm always worse on camera for a reason. That's not to do with your hold it or anything. I'm not gonna blame it on you, to be honest, because I don't know what it is about me being worse on camera. That's hard. It's gonna be hard to face, isn't it? You know, get the piss over. Get buzz. I'm trying to get coins here because I'm not really that arsed or keen or anything else. I'm just gonna hit it like a boss, so I don't lose all my lives. You know, this is good. This ever happened. I hate Joe says it. Forget this ever happened. Alright. Failed badly. So yeah, I'll see you in the next vid when we do the. Actually, I probably won't do it. So I'll see you in the next game I do a video on, which I don't know what that'll be.